Model, 2018 Peugeot Partner L1 Diesel 625 1.6 BlueHDi 75 Professional Van Spares OR Repairs ULEZ Compliant Throwing Kisses. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148120. MOT, 14 June 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE, BHW-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very simple and easy repair on these 1.6 HDI engines. Money mouth face gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: ex-dog vehicle van with all cages still installed, would make a great dog van. Cold sweat smile. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, full service history, air con, electric windows, parking sensors.